Hey guys, welcome back to DCTC, Disney Cars Toy Club. I'm super excited about the toy that I get to share with you today. It's brand new, hot off the press. Ice Skating Queen Elsa and Ice Skating Princess Anna. Let's get started by taking a look at Queen Elsa. So as you can see, she's wearing a dress very similar to the dress that she wears in the movie. She has the overlay with all of the sparkly snowflakes on it. She's wearing her tiara and her braid. But look down here, instead of shoes, she has on ice skates. And the way that these work is that you roll this along the floor or really any hard surface, and it will make Elsa ice skate. Okay, so here's how it works. Next, we can take a look at Princess Anna. So like Elsa, she is wearing one of her very traditional outfits. And here are her ice skates. Again, the way that you make Anna ice skate is to press on this and it will make her legs move. Hey Anna, what you doing? Oh, hey Elsa. I'm just fixing my hair. Why do you ask? Well, I was wondering if you wanted to go ice skating. That actually sounds like a lot of fun, but Elsa, we don't have any ice skates and there's no ice on the ground. Well, I can take care of both of those things. Okay then, sounds great. Let's go. Wow. You did it! Elsa, you are amazing! Aw, thanks, Anna. But that's not all. I've got one more trick. Make ice! Make ice! Oh my gosh, Elsa! You did it! That was so cool. Yeah, it was kind of cool, wasn't it? Okay, you ready to go ice skating? Yes, I'm totally ready to go ice skating. Let's go! Whee! Oh, this is so fun, Elsa. It is really fun, isn't it, Anna? Whee! Okay, Anna, I have one more surprise. Wow, Elsa! Amazing! I'm glad you like it. Okay guys, that's all we have for Elsa and Anna ice skating. We really love these toys and thought that they were super fun and hope you did too. If you did, click on the like button and let us know. We hope that you'll join our club by subscribing to our channel. This is DCTC. Thanks for watching.